Modern partition wall design has become an essential element in contemporary interior spaces, especially as open-plan living continues to grow in popularity. These partitions offer a perfect balance between functionality and aesthetics, allowing homeowners to divide spaces without sacrificing light, openness, or style. Unlike traditional solid walls, modern partition walls are designed to create subtle separations while maintaining a visual connection between different areas. This makes them ideal for living rooms, dining areas, home offices, and even bedrooms. By using materials like glass, wood, metal, and even fabric, designers can craft partitions that enhance the overall look of a space rather than making it feel confined. One of the most popular styles today is the use of fluted or ribbed glass panels combined with sleek wooden or metal frames. These designs allow natural light to flow freely while still providing a sense of privacy. The texture of the glass adds depth and elegance, making the partition a statement piece in itself. Similarly, open shelving partitions are gaining popularity for their dual-purpose functionality. They not only divide spaces but also provide storage and display areas for books, plants, and decorative items. Another key advantage of modern partition walls is their versatility. They can be customized to suit different interior styles, whether it's minimal, Scandinavian, industrial, or luxury. For instance, a light wood partition with clean lines works beautifully in a Scandinavian setting, while a black metal frame with glass panels complements an industrial theme. The ability to tailor materials, colors, and layouts makes partition walls a highly flexible design solution. In smaller homes or apartments, partition walls play a crucial role in space optimization. They help create distinct zones without the need for permanent construction.